Welcome guys, today I'm going to make you understand how to use this lovely Christmas frost creator for Illustrator and Photoshop. Yes, it's available for both of the softwares, the Illustrator and Photoshop. Let us see how. Once you purchase, it's here ready for your download, and once you download it, it's visible in your zip file like this. And then once you right click on this zip file, select extract files, it will be automatically here in the folder option, or if you select the extract here, it will be extracted individually. So just choose extract files so that keep it neat and clean. Dialog box is open like this. Just hit OK. Rest are the default settings are totally fine to work with for both Mac and Windows users. Just hit OK. You will find a new folder with the same name automatically created on the screen in the place. Double click on that and you will find all the folders extracted inside successfully. For here you will be having a folder of free bonus. So as it's bonus, I'm gonna make it a bonus and a surprise for you guys. You can check it out once you download it from the link in description below. You will see two different folders, one is Illustrator and one is Photoshop. As you open the Illustrator one, you can find all the three files here. Once it's saying Christmas illustration, it's an AI file which is easy to use in AI folder, and the second one in Illustrator snowflake shapes. It is having both in EPS and AI. EPS file is best for any versions of Illustrator. You can use it with from CC, CS to any versions. If you are having any problem, you can just give a message to me for how to tackle with it, and I will be happy to help you. For the third, that is Illustrator brush, these are the brush set. How to use these brushes? Let me make you watch it. Just I'm clicking any one of the file, both are the brushes, and it's opening in AI. You can see something like this on screen, and as you want a new brush to be here, it's not visible in the brush panel right now. So just click on this hamburger menu over here and select the open brush library and go to the other library over here in the last option. A new dialog box is open. Just lead the way where you have just successfully extracted all the files. Here in the Illustrator brush, I'm selecting this file and hitting open. You can see a new snow art brush panel is over here, and you can use all the files, all the brushes in your document as you want. It's similar for the other file that we are having here, the snowflake scatter brush. And now going to Photoshop folder. You can see there are two files, that is Photoshop brush, it's having the two style brushes over here, and Photoshop custom shapes. For both, I'm making you see how to use custom shapes, or you can check out for both. Once you open your Photoshop, you can, before opening any file, or you can try to open your file and then you can just select any, either your shape icon, shape tool from the toolbar, or the brush tool, and go to here in the brush properties. You can see this settings icon over here. Click on it. It says somewhere the preset manager like this. Just click it and you have this preset manager icon on this. You can have this preset manager dialog box on screen. Once it's loaded, you can see there are a few options here. You can select load, or it says sometimes import or insert. Then just click on that. It's open a new dialog box similar to that Illustrator file, and then you can just lead the way to where your file is located. Like here, it's in the brush, so I'm going to choose a brush file. And in similar way, the custom shape set is also available for setting up. I'm making you view few, like I already have loaded it here in the custom shapes. How to get it there is like right click in on the shape icon or shape tool from the toolbar and choose custom shape tool. Once in the properties there is a here shape, it reads shape and there is a shape visible to you. Just click on the drop down bar and then all the different shapes are visible to you here. Just click on the settings again and select preset manager. Now you can see all these are here. If you want to load any new from the downloaded folder, so just go to load and you can see here's it's going to default place. So just lead the way to your downloaded or extracted folder. Like here I'm having, so it's Photoshop and now it's in custom brushes. So I'm just open, and if you want to load you can just reload it. It's in CSH, it's totally okay. So you can see I can just add as much as or as much size as I want in any like with a shift or without, and also I can change the color according to my choice. Sometimes I can also add a outline, like if a different color. You can see how it's working. These all are very fun to use, from brushes to shapes for creating any invites or cards or any branding purposes. Basically it's you can create any frost snowflakes for Christmas or for winters. In the JPG and PNG folder right now, as we go inside you can see blue snowflakes, golden snowflakes are also there for your PNG purposes. You can use them in any Photoshop or any Illustrator, Corel Draw, any software. And also there are some calligraphy codes that I have made pre-madely for your greetings with the Christmas illustrations. You can check it out with your own once you download it. So check us out.